Is your pool just too dirty? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Jeep. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the AQUASTRONG Sand Filter Pool. Welcome back to Good Tech Jeep. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the AQUASTRONG Pool Sand Filter, 3,000 gallons per hour. As you saw in the beginning, the box is just too big for me to hold, but there it is again. And you know we unbox and review, so let's get into it. This is the AQUASTRONG Sand Filter Pump. It does 3,000 gallons per hour, and the AQUASTRONG Pool Filter Ball. And the AQUASTRONG Pool Filter Balls offer superior performance compared to traditional sand. 4.6 pounds filter balls replace 150 pounds of sand. These filter balls are a lightweight and more effective alternative to traditional pool filter sand. Super easy to clean and reusable. It's designed for hassle-free maintenance. These durable sand filter balls offer superior dust absorption and are fully reusable. Simply clean them as needed to reduce backwashing and saving you both time and money on your pull up. Next we have the AQUASTRONG Sand Filter Pump. It's got a 24-hour programmable timer. The AQUASTRONG Sand Filter Pump for above ground pools features a customizable timer with 9 settings, 2 to 24 hours, allowing you to automate filtration cycles for optimal efficiency. Enjoy crystal clear water while saving energy and reducing maintenance. High performance 3,000 gallons per hour flow rate. This above ground pool pump delivers a powerful 3,000 gallon per hour flow rate. System flow rate is about 2,200 GPH, ensuring fast and efficient water circulation. Perfect for pools up to 14,000 gallons, and it keeps your pool water crystal clear and free of debris with minimal effort. Versatile 6-way valve. This pool sand filter features a 6-way valve with multiple settings: filter, waste, closed, backwash, recirculate, and rinse. This versatile design enhances cleaning efficiency, and it adapts to various pool maintenance needs and ensures crystal clear water all year round. This is perfect for above ground pools. This sand filter includes 3 1.5 and 1.25 inch hose adapters with clamps and 5 1.5 inch adapter conversion kits. Do keep in mind that these hoses are not included. It's designed for hassle-free setup and ensures seamless compatibility with all above ground pools, including popular brands like Intex, Bestway, and more. Quality service from AQUASTRONG. This above ground sand filter pool pump comes with a 2-year warranty and exceptional after-sales support, ensuring peace of mind, customer satisfaction. AQUASTRONG has got you covered. They've got it all figured out, and this thing is nice. Great job, AQUASTRONG. AQUASTRONG, thank you for keeping the summer clean. You know that pool gets dirty. But we want to give a huge shout out to AQUASTRONG for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Jeep. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.